This tutorial shows you how to turn off typing sounds and vibration on your Gboard keyboard. First, open any app with a text field, like Messages or Notes. The keyboard will appear on screen. Next, tap on the gear icon on the Gboard keyboard. The Gboard settings menu will open. Following that, tap on Preferences. Your keyboard preference options will load. Now, scroll down to find Sound on keypress. The sound setting will be visible. Moving forward, toggle off Sound on keypress. The typing sounds will be disabled. Afterwards, look for haptic feedback on keypress below it. The vibration setting will appear. Then, toggle off haptic feedback on keypress as well. The keyboard vibration will be turned off. Now your Gboard is completely silent when typing. No sounds or vibrations will occur. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you disable keyboard sounds on Android Gboard, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.